Good morning, you guys. This morning we're actually going to be, well, it's morning here for me. I don't know what time it is for you guys, but today we're going to be doing a tutorial, and it's going to be a full-on makeup tutorial using all the products that we got in our BOXYCHARM. And I'm really excited to do this because I know a lot of you guys wanted to see a tutorial and see how I incorporate the products. So that is what we're going to do. So if you guys want to see the makeup look that I create using BOXYCHARMS products, then just keep watching. So you guys can obviously see that I've already done my face and my brows. That way we can kind of skip over it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go in with primer. I'm obsessed with this. I've raved about this here on my channel for quite some time now. I actually got this in PR about 6 or 7 months ago, and I just love it. I mean, I stopped using my MAC paint pot, which is what I used for all my eyeshadow bases, and now I really just use this. So I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out, and then once I get in the corners, I'll grab a brush. FYI, a little product goes a long way. We're going to be using the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and I'm going to start off, and the very first color I'm going to take is going to be this one right here called Dark Side. All right, so we're going to go dark pretty quickly. We're now going to try using the shade called Flip Out. So I did put on some powder underneath just to be safe because it doesn't look like any of the colors are transferring. Just in case, because we are working with dark colors, I want to make sure that I don't have any fallout. All right, we're going to go ahead and be brave. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be taking, so we're going to be a little brave, and we're going to go in with this shade called Silver Spoon. And I'm going to spray a little bit of MAC Fix Plus and apply it to almost the entire lid, leaving just a little bit of a gap on the inner corner, just so that we can make sure it's still bright and open on the inner corners. So I'm going to go now in with the shade Clutch, and I did take a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to make sure I get all the glitter, and I'm going to apply it right on the inner corners. And then once you get that, you can then start blending it so that it kind of starts to mesh well. And then just to deepen it just a little bit more, we're going to go in with All Nighter, and I'm taking it on the really, really small brush because I don't want it to go anywhere but the outer corner. For eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this Mr. Right Now by The Balm Cosmetics. Now I'm going to go back in with the shade All Nighter, and I'm going to be taking that on my lower lash line as well. First, what I'm going to do is just place it right on top, and then taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges. I cannot believe I forgot to use the brushes, you guys, but I still have not chiseled out my brows, so we'll do that now. This concealer brush looks amazing, and I need to clean up my brows anyway, so. Now the moment of truth, we're gonna go in with the liner. I am so scared to use this, you guys. So we're gonna attempt to do a winged liner with this. Or not a wing liner, I lied, we're not doing that. We're doing just a thin line. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and today I'm going to be using the Pure Cosmetics lashes in the style Bombshell. So now that we have the lashes on, we're going to move right back into the face. For blush, I'm going to be taking the Laura Geller blush that we got in our box, and this one here is in the shade Tropic Hues. I get really nervous with blushes like these because it's got a little bit of a sheen, and you guys see the texture I have. I don't want it to be apparent, so. All right, for the lips, we're going in with the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. I got the shade Deep Burgundy, and we're gonna see how it works. Go back in with this concealer brush, and I'm gonna take just a little bit of concealer. And then for highlight, I don't wanna take a lot of highlight just because this look is already a lot going on. So I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to be using the Glam Glow highlighter palette, and I'm going to be taking the lightest shade. And then to set everything, I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. So we are finished with the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know your thoughts down below if you guys are ready for fall. I feel like this is such a fall, almost winter look. Doesn't it look like it? I really like it though. I actually was a little nervous that the lip was going to not work very well, but it ended up coming out pretty well, I think, with the entire overall look. The only thing I did not like in the entire box would have to be the liner. While I think it's like kind of cute and it's kind of a cool idea, it just isn't feasible for me. Honestly, it's just way too much effort to try to get a straight line. So that's the only thing I really didn't care for. And then I do apologize for using the brushes at the very end of the video. Yeah, I completely forgot about that. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see my unboxing for the month of September, I'll have it linked down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out so you guys can stay up to date with my videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.